Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Have you ever been deep into a video call, presenting your latest project, when a pop-up about something unrelated, or even embarrassing, steals the spotlight? We've all been there, right? Good news. Microsoft's apparently working on a new feature for Teams that lets you hide apps during calls. No more pop-ups from your gym saying they miss you, or your doctor confirming your next appointment. And here's the best part. It's not just about saving face. This could speed up your device by keeping unnecessary apps out of the way, making your video streams smoother than ever. We're keeping an eye on updates for this feature and we'll let you know when it goes live. Until then, if you need a hand improving your business's video calls, we can help. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.